Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making leftover rice recipe. Rice crackers with less ingredients, yummy in taste. Boiled rice 1 cup. Make fine paste. Transfer to a bowl. Now add rice flour 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Chili flakes 2 tablespoons. Sesame seeds 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, make fine dough. Dough is ready. Press gently with the hands. Cut into shapes with the help of knife. Hot oil, fry until crispy. Now it's ready to serve. Peri peri powder on top, optional. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.